Hey everybody, I'm going to make a train horn video. We have my tank up at about 140 psi, and I got the horn right here. I'm going to try it with two different trumpets or whatever they're called. Here's the first one. Here's it from a different angle, or I'll try to. I don't know where to set the camera. Okay, I'll set it right here. That was the first one. Here's the second one. Okay, this is the second horn right here. Now, I don't think it's as loud as the first one, but I'll let you decide. So just post a comment or whatever and you tell me what you think. Let's hear it. Hey, it's me again. Okay, my favorite horn's personally this one, only because it's so big and, yeah, loud, I guess. So, let's do it again just because I can. Let's do a shave and a haircut first one. Now, I used to be able to like make different sounds with it. I don't know if I still can, but let's try. There we go. Thanks for watching.